Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Acorns Later step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Acorns app from your app store. Open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Invest section. Select the Acorns Later option to focus on retirement savings. Review the information provided about retirement accounts and their benefits. Tap on Get Started to begin setting up your retirement account. Answer the questions about your financial goals and investment preferences. Choose between a traditional IRA or Roth IRA based on your tax situation. Connect your bank account to fund your Acorns Later account. Set a monthly contribution amount that aligns with your budget. Review and confirm your settings before proceeding. Once confirmed, Acorns will provide personalized investment options based on your risk tolerance. Begin monitoring your account regularly to track your progress. Adjust your contributions as necessary to stay within your budget. Take advantage of any financial education resources within the app. Stay informed about your retirement goals and adjust as your financial situation changes. Remember, budgeting with Acorns Later is a commitment to your future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.